What's up guys, so today I'm going to be teaching you how to remove color cast off a photo. Alright, so as you can see here, this photo has a blue purple cast to it, so we're going to remove that. The first thing that you're going to do is to open up histogram. And if you can't find histogram here, you can go up to window and press histogram. So once you pull it back out here, go to all channels view, and when the channels tab, you go to colors, so you can see all three colored channels here, and go to adjustment layer, go to curve, and the next thing that we're going to do is to try so for this photo, the blue, it's all down here, and the green and red are all leaning to the left and the middle, but there's nothing on the right. That's why the photo seems there's a color cast on the photo, because there's no color here. So what we're going to do is just to push the colors back in here. As you can see, it's looking much better already. And we do the same thing on the shadow part. Blue as well. So basically balancing everything, try to fit everything in together. And you can see the red here, it's a bit off on the shadow mid-tone part. So we push that in a little bit. It's too much. And on the highlight of the blue, we just push it back down a little. Like this. Alright, so as you can see, we got from this to this. So remove the color cast, and the histogram looks good. And the next thing that we're going to do is to adjust the brightness and the contrast of the photo. So we're going to go create another curve. Go make what we call an S curve. Push up the highlight, mid-tone, and the shadow, create it like an S shape. There we go, the photo looks good. Because this is a film negative scan on a flat bed, there's a little bit of scratch, so I'm just going to remove that. I'm going to remove that just with the spot tool. Okay, so we went from this original photo with a color cast, removing the color cast and adjust the contrast of the photo, and it's that easy. So if you have any more questions, please comment down below or go to our Instagram page and send us more questions so we can do more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys next time.